one or two be near and get to know her better. What I say, enter me man akonya. DJ Abna. Other brony akwaba.
That's anyway intro. It's so overwhelming.
And that's it, baby. And that's it. And what it was I say, I said, bro, about on time. About on time. You didn't delay anybody. I just say we are disciplined. No one that
Only
say,
FM 95.1.
no one that say Unya international best DJ. I just say we international Women's Day champion.
Thank you.
Sabina, who is Sabina?
Avna is an international DJ based in Belgium. I play in different countries in Europe. Say it's Germany, France, Paris, Nina, Bobby, and different countries. And I'm Bobby so Ghana.
Bobby so Ghana.
Aye.
Growing up, how was it? Growing up, Fabina.
Oh, growing up was really good. My parents always taught me a lot of things in life. They also made sure that I was like, stable.
Abena, who teach you?
Oh, the trip.
Mr. Omomadene.
You what say? You're okay. You're sorry.
Then the Gemra no me
You what say? That's okay. Timpacho yo mo Belgium.
Belgium.
Mam nim papa na atiti mi sa nti da mo ase ne nti om dia mam ya abedu say.
Aye. Into growing up in Anna, when it was a DJ.
Only FM 95.1.
Science ho pa. Nti mi ko hu school nti say me wie school na nti am pharmacy assistant nti na me adwuma wo Belgium Monday to Saturday. Me adwuma na weekend there Miami DJ no or side.
Then I say DJ na your part time and that's our hobby.
Me hobby, me passion and me need ho pa.
Who discover talent at the time ben?
I discovered the talent here in Fanube 2016.
2016,
but before that, in the end, many Jim, we call baby and no more hard, many aje, with some for some, many aje, until we become, near campus and bought DJ now, money J.
So the one you tell you one when you are general. But then can confess to tell your mom when it's when in Jessa. And then my way, so DJ. How was the first experience like?
Oh, first experience in the we will say, yes, this is what I want to do. First, sure, I mean, Belgium no done, you know.
Only FM 95.1.
Brian and Daniel we don't want to me kobo our program we will say yes, this is God's calling. Many jumpa.
If I was said by show no. We are nervous because when you be that and it was your first big show.
Yes,
and the pan bear saying.
Oh, that time young fancy floor and any bear 50. And it was I nervous, not really. Me, I mean, we said, okay, technically, I will get there. So I'm busy at that time. Right now, I've been practicing every time. But that time, I'm saying, hey, God will provide. To draw and you mix it, to me, boy, no more jump from see, yes.
When I was also said, Sebi, actually.
No, it was
oh, this is lovely. And I also mostly it's nice. And it's fun doing what you love doing. I say, I don't know where you know passion can.
Only FM 95.1.
Because passion out there. Me sure I was started this DJ thing. Now only say now pesca.
And you're correct.
And now pesca.
Debbie, that time you need madri.
You need watching. We now first 50 crowd show no. And I'll kill it. Okay, what do you feel I can say?
And coffee and who's okay. Where the many joint and your mammy more of the practice and mission will face this after 7 years and right now we are going worldwide, maybe different countries, you know.
With confidence.
With confidence and loving what I do.
It's when your first I don't know what to say console me what.
Console patcha.
Console one out toy and now with science sikano. And now with DJ sikano.
Oh, with science sikana koye no.
Let's say which is science for.
So.
It's good. Intimation send the employer by try 1 or 2 be word so na.
Only FM 95.1.
And then one year ready so by try bibi.
Am I ready with the machine now?
The machine by. To be set up on.
I'll set up and team patch will be able to follow me on Facebook, Instagram. As DJ Abna. Right now I'm based in Europe, as it says from Ghana once a year. My babo has say.
Say also most of the time DJs now no more personal DJ to certain artists. Or personal artists be our DJ Mano from time to time.
Oh, they say they're many personal artists, but it's my wish to play for certain artists there because summer when the shape by I mean I'm a bomber.
Wow.
I've been also DJ for Stoneboy, Messiano face to face that other artists Kwame Eugene, King Promise, show. So my wish is to be DJ for one stable artist.
Let's just say, now who is this a very limited?
Oh, to be honest, now I've been thinking about AM Sebema
Onua FM 95.1.
I believe it can also play a role, but I'm open for everything.
But you need to be sure. You need to be certain. Say, I want to be a DJ for this artist, and I say I want to be commercial DJ. Say me, hope I play for you.
So say I know na me and tiani many June, but when is the right time? Maybe artist be from here.
Why not?
Why not?
Why not? It's a big artist to say Black Sheriff say abana. I say Papa abana Papa.
Yes.
Na. Meti aje menya we minya wo muda. Black Sheriff say abana person you my personal DJ.
Oh, I would love that. I'm coming veggie pa.
But me sure say they be how you now do a DJ shema. You might never know who is watching, and I say who is admiring from the dark. Obi be to me as spot just like that. I want you to follow me wherever I go. Now be a personal DJ. And also
Onua FM 95.1.
So I to Canada and I want to share that you will be there.
I'm always ready for it.
Into okay, see how DJ or Nyaja or physician assistant. Now I could share nice, lovely person. We are person no a Bob Rakusi we or Sabina. I don't want my wife to be a DJ.
And yeah, this say I can't I believe in everything. Bibia, there's understanding. I'll say I can't
yeah, okay. I'll say no. It's either me or the DJ. And then
passion for my work, what I'm doing right now.
So you leave your dream man for DJing.
That's a hard one.
I know. But I also believe say if you love me, you should. So if you love me, you should love what I'm doing because definitely, obviously, you
Onua FM 95.1.
Me doing my thing and also permit. I don't know why. You know, Stephanie Benson McCown has said, "Don't let somebody change you for who you are." What I say? Open sure say I'm very loud. Me loud.
Very bubbly, open, like when my promoter, manager Nat send me like you have an interview with Felicia. I'll say, ask him. I was like, this can't be true. Because I'm on Belgium, I follow you on your Instagram. I see your videos there. I can have a bad show video and I'm saying, replay you, I will repost. And what I love when you end, you say, bye bye. I love it so.
What I say?
Yeah, you are really amazing. Like
Thank
I can't believe it. Like you really uplift people. You make us happy, you know. And I feel like people don't realize what you are doing.
What realizing it's enough. I'm sure I won't realize because you said it out loud means that. And of course, when they get the opportunity, they would say, also what pay.
Onua
If you
FM
focus on what
95.1.
you love and you value what you have, the person will not appreciate you now. Definitely, the person will come on board. What I saying is, my best share also pay me flish or say. Now who me read that table some recipe from. What I feel me inja table na me read na me nante for say eh bra. Me spider woman yo bra. Me spider went to me crab. It is up a crab. I'll go for crab. You know, me nam 10 times. So I believe if you meet somebody who loves you for abna, who you DJ, if you cry once how did me I don't kind of be any family natural near into a set up and now by because many listeners will we can't wait to see you. Oh yeah, dear no. Oh yeah, in chatty. You about 20 minutes before some yummy DJ Bebania. What I say to Bessene, many umboshona umboshona near one come.
You what?
I bet the papa. It's Bessetia. It's here for me
Onua FM 95.1.
May you free have because I hire Juma. You're a female DJ. Ever born international DJ, better international DJ da of course, me DJ international DJ, but I say you're female. Yeah, uplifting each other, being females, being a man at the end. Yeah, uplifting each other. What I say? Intimacy. Don't change it. What I say? It's a bit about set it up a my or set it up now. Yeah, bono. Not just say. Yes, say a bon more interview near by free ho. Until any I've been on the very show for 20 minutes until send a time best when I just say yeah end it. It's an opportunity. Me pacho, you go kasa mumra samunya botre. You go kasa mumra. You buy a nest abne jina so. Abna. Hey. Unye easy. Yanko pare. Oh, dija. Why jai. Nana kwami jai. Seeing a lady do this, I mean, let's all be honest. You do marvelous. on the turntable. We too good. See our social media handles and be a management number be a debate to ja. And I say be a DM or social media be any now catch what you say. Patrol you, it's you.
Okay. Tim Patrol, some person follow me. I'm on Instagram.
Onua FM 95.1.
Or YouTube, SoundCloud, Spotify, more baby. And if you want to send me a DM, I tell me I'm available. Right now, my management, I'm in here. He's a promoter and my manager here in Ghana.
All right. And I say final words I'd be my listeners will be a Ethiopia.
Oh, the American say the whole team of Onua FM. Sorry, Madam Wasipa. Just the opportunity. I'm with your mommy dear.
Oh yes, that was see 2 years after buy. It's a privilege to have somebody like you in our studio, to have an interaction with. Not just say yes or crano. Yami because sure and buy a hadia also sure. We hope to see you once again. And I say, be able to know invite you. And it's a bit how it's in your best.
Onua FM 95.1.
So, maybe a creative art festival, maybe area bar as well. Play Ghana, Corona, and a mood bar.
That's all now. She can't audition the sound. And one,
you have to be focused.
Yes, Kenny, and one.
The only advice me my mom for say, so you DJ, just follow your heart, but at the end of the day, making sure said you just be focused. Don't go left and right to do stuff. I bet best say what you man are to just be prayerful and careful. That's all.
Be prayerful and careful. You can't be prayerful and not being careful, because when we saw one penny, I'm about no buying. Captain or see about who buy spiritually, but physical part in the day. I won't say so by any year. Abna be prayerful and be careful. Abna odo, I mean shall be brave.
Onua FM 95.1.